In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate SSH keys for Hostinger VPS. We'll walk through creating a secure SSH key pair on your computer and adding it to your Hostinger VPS so you can log in safely without typing your server password every time. This is one of the simplest ways to improve your VPS security and streamline your workflow. Start by opening your command line. On Mac or Linux, open Terminal. On Windows, open PowerShell. We'll run a single command to generate the keys. Type SSH keygen and press enter. This tool creates two files, a private key that stays on your computer and a public key that you'll upload to Hostinger. If you're prompted for a key type, the modern default on many systems is ED25519, which is fast and secure. RSA is also widely supported, so either is fine if that's what you see. Next, you'll be asked where to save the key. Accept the default location unless you have a specific reason to store it elsewhere. On most systems, that's your home folder inside a hidden .sh directory. Keeping the default makes it easier for SSH to find your key automatically later. You'll then be asked to enter a passphrase. This is optional but recommended. A passphrase encrypts your private key, so if someone ever got a copy of it, they still couldn't use it without the passphrase. If you prefer convenience and are working on a trusted machine, you can leave it blank and press enter to skip. Just remember, with a passphrase, you'll be prompted for it when you use the key. Once the keys are generated, you need to copy your public key. Open the file that ends with .pub in a text editor or print it in your terminal and copy everything on a single line starting with sh and ending with your comment. Do not copy the private key file. Only the .pub file is meant to be shared. Now add the key in Hostinger. In your Hostinger dashboard, go to VPS, choose Manage, then Settings, then SSH Keys, and click Add SSH Key. Paste the public key into the field, give it a recognizable label, and save. With that done, you can connect securely using your private key. When you initiate an SSH connection to your VPS, your system will use the key automatically if it's in the default location, or you can specify it with the I option. Keep your private key safe, never share it, and consider a secure backup. If a connection fails, double check that you pasted the full public key and that you're logging in as the correct user for your VPS.